Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. This is a list of top
hand blenders.
If you found this list helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like this video to continue making more top 10 videos. Also turn notification on to get latest videos uploaded.
Wanted to tell you about the Mueller Home Smart Stick Hand Blender. This little device has replaced so many appliances in my kitchen. It has 12 speeds to prepare salsas, shakes, smoothies, and more. I use it every day for my son's smoothies. They come out fast and easy. It has multiple attachments so you can blend, whisk, or chop anything in seconds at the push of a button. I have tried multiple smart sticks on the market. This is by far the best one. It's so well made for the price and I can't recommend it enough.
I have two great recipes that I will be showing later on how to make it. One is a homemade white bean spread served on little baguette croutons. Also a Mexican hot chocolate infused with some cinnamon, and believe it or not, everything is made with a hand blender, one of those little tools that you want to have in your house. And let's get started. So what I'm having here is some milk that has lightly simmered with some cinnamon sticks, and I will show you where they are. So the cinnamon literally infused the milk, and what we're doing here, I will lower now some chocolate chips here. So very gently, we put them into the milk, and I'm gonna start on stirring very slowly so that the chocolate melts and makes a really very smooth mix here. And my chocolate here is actually a bittersweet chocolate, so you really get that nice flavor of chocolate. I'm adding one more item, which is vanilla bean extract. So we're gonna flavor it with the vanilla. And so it's a pretty simple, very fast recipe, but very satisfying. And then to make it really nice and rich and flavorful, I will emulsify that mixture with a hand blender. So let's do that. We're just gonna put the hand blender inside, and we're gonna start on the slow side, and we're gonna start on emulsifying, and you see how nice and smooth and easy it is. And voila. So now I'm just gonna open one of those cans of beans, and you have a great spread. If you have a little bit left over, you keep it in a jar. It will keep in the refrigerator for several days. As you could see it, I made two great things in no time. Just fractions of minutes it was done, and thanks to the hand blender.
At Best Reviews, we help shoppers find the best products on the market. We take popular items and put them to the test, just like you would use them at home, to see if they deliver what the manufacturer promises. This way, you'll have all the information you need before you buy. Today, we're trying out the new MultiQuick 7 Immersion hand blender from Braun. The brand markets this 3-in-1 hand blender as a fast, intuitive, and easy-to-use model. Equipped with a blending wand, whisk, and 2-cup food chopper, this kitchen tool is designed to open up new cooking possibilities. Off the bat, our favorite features of the MultiQuick 7 are the variable speed button and how easy it is to switch between attachments. While we found there wasn't really a low speed in testing, we can't think of a time we would need it, and we liked how easy it was to vary the speed level from mid-range to very fast without lifting our finger off the button. And for recipes that call for multiple ways to prep, being able to switch easily between attachments is a huge time saver. And we like that we can basically get 3 functions in a small package that won't take up a lot of space in the kitchen. Here's a recap of the pros and cons. First, the pros. Think of a time we would need it. And we liked how easy very fast without lifting our finger. Being able to switch easily between attachments is a huge time saver. Get 3 functions in a small package that won't take up a... Here's a recap of the pros and cons. The Braun MultiQuick 7 is an intuitive preparing soups, sauces, and easy. The does get easy to use with one hand, and we were impressed in how simple it was to move between. Next, the cons. Like about the MultiQuick 7. But we can't think of many applications that would require worked best when pushing down on the bottom of the pot. Versatile hand blender that saves you time and sauces, dips, and affordable handheld blender